Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CRO daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto, or buildmindyourcrypto.com. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. Everything will be automated for you, and of course this is the time to join because altcoins will pump and therefore you won't be missing a chance to make money to recover your losses. We will be having, of course, live trading, scalping trading strategy, manual system with over 90% win ratio and many other benefits. We are waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go to a detailed price analysis for CRO. The reason that we got a little bit down from this resistance level of the 0.44 is because we had a major resistance level at there with the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement being at this level. You can see this blue line. What I have done is I have drawn the Fibonacci from this top back on 20 January down to this bottom on 22nd, and we had this as a resistance level, the 0.44. Now we can get even higher to the 0.51, but we have to break first and to close above this line right here. Once we cannot make it, then we will be likely to go back into the 0.40, maybe into the 0.38 again, in which of these area right here we could have possibly a buying pressure. But first let's see the risk metrics. Right now you can see that we are in a position sometimes in trading where we cannot decide if this is a great buying opportunity or not. And while we have that, we have the stochastic RSI in the middle, not in an oversold down here, not in an overbought right here. We have the stochastic RSI into the middle, so therefore we do not have something that we can see. On the other hand, on the RSI, we have a little bit of this pattern right here, which looks like a distribution. Okay, if you see this pattern going on, it looks like a distribution where we go down for now and we go down below the 30. So yeah, we might be having a pattern like that, and we have the commodity channel index going down again. But nothing, even the Fisher transform is a little bit under an overbought, but not at the same time. We do not have something that we can say that we have, for example, a very high risk or a very low risk, and we should be buying. So in this time where we cannot decide with the risk metrics and the technical analysis, we just provide the price analysis, and we are looking for targets to break, for resistance levels to break, for support levels to hold, and so on. And of course, what we are going to do is to open up the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so you can see at the Bollinger Bands, we are not in the bottom line, we are not in the top line. Let's go maybe to the daily frame. Maybe we have there the answer that we need. On the daily frame, what we are having right now is a little bit of a sell pressure upon the 20-day exponential moving average, this yellow line right here. You can see that we cannot manage to get past above so easily above this line. And of course here what we do have is an overbought situation with the stochastic RSI. When we usually have that and we do not see the price breaking out, then possibly it is very likely that we go further down and we lose some support levels going, for example, into the 0.40, maybe a little bit even lower. It is very possible to do that. However, if Bitcoin becomes bullish and goes higher than the 39, 40k and so on, 41, 42, then I think it will drag upwards the CRO crypto as well. But for CRO coin, it is as we mentioned back on the previous updates. It is impossible to see in the near future the 0.97. If we were talking about CRO back on 24 November, and I was about to tell you that CRO is going to get down towards the 33 cents, around here you would be laughing and you would tell me that no, CRO is going to 5 Tether USD. It is everything that happens on Twitter. Everyone becomes bullish once you see that, but no one says the bearish scenario. For example, when you approach into high levels, when you have a risk on the weekly frame, when you have this risk right there with the RSI, you can see that, right? You have this risk, and therefore no one talks about a possible downside. Always you will find out people talking about bullish things. Because, you know, when you provide something bearish, people always tend to just hit the dislike button, unfortunately. Anyway, for us, for CRO against USDT right now, the target that you should be looking at is this Fibonacci retracement right here, the 0.44. Apart from that, if we can close above, then we can go into the next targets. If we cannot, it is very possible to go down to the 0.38. There is a very high chance that we are seeing CRO going upwards. Of course, this is not financial advice, and I want to remind you here that you can join our monthly subscription. I have the links in the description box and in the comment section. You will get easy profits. You will be getting to learn technical analysis, to hold your future in your hands. You will be joining a very happy and a very, very decent team right there, and you won't regret it. You can cancel anytime you like if you regret it though. Let's go back to CRO. So right now we have this price action, and why I'm focusing on these two levels is because you will find out in crypto that the 0.618 on the Fibonacci retracement, it is not the most important line. The most important line in the crypto space is the 0.786, not the 0.618. And one of the most important as well is the 0.236, the top and the bottom. We usually find buying pressure, sell pressure right there. 0.5 is also very good. It is not a Fibonacci level, but it is added into the Fibonacci retracement. It is a very good percent ratio, the 0.5, the 50% retracement actually. So what we have right here is that we want possibly to be going above the 0.44. In the meantime though, once we cannot do that, it is risky for you to get into CRO. If you want to accumulate more because you might have bought in a higher position right there and you want to DCA so you can average your entry price, then I feel like it is a good time if we get past above the 0.44 or down to the 0.38, maybe even further down to the 0.36 around there would be very, very good to maybe have a rebuying entry. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.